Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain to Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then log on to myshopify.com/admin. Once you are here over at home, you're going to click on settings on the lower left. And then in here, scroll down and then look for domains. Tap on it. It has a globe icon. In here, you can buy or connect a domain. Let's now click on Connect Existing Domain. Now in the search bar, this could be whatever domain you already have or a friend's domain that you are in partnership with. This is an example. Once done, click on Next. And then you're going to verify the connection. Once done, this time click on Users and Permissions on the left side. In here, you can even transfer ownership if you needed to. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.